Yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years professionally, and this is the floor I'm doing at the moment. I'm grouting it. So I've done that. That's had 2 wipes, but it's still drying a little bit dusty. It will probably need another couple of wipes yet, but the owner knows that, and she's gone away to buy a nice steam mop, because she's sort of like that, you know, she's like that. She helps me in every way she can, which is brilliant. So I'm just going to the kitchen now. So I'll just pop this on my head. Stick with me. This is how it's done. In that area there, it's had 1 wipe. I've got to give it another wipe yet. Over there, which I said that's had two wipes. But once this is finally clean, it will look so nice. Absolute beautiful. I've got my grout a little bit softer than what I started with, just to see if I can get it down any quicker. But there's a fair bit to do, grouting that is. And Rome wasn't built in a day, so I would like to get it finished before I go home tonight, that's all. But we'll see. If I haven't, well, too bad. I might even run out of grout, so I might have to pick up some more in the morning on the way. Yeah, I've got it a little bit runnier than what I first started, but it's sitting up all right. It's not sinking or anything like that, so it's all right. Like I said in the first video that when I first started the grouting, I said don't have it too runny. It'll sink and go like it'll have low patches, which is no good. Right, I'll just turn you off, turn the camera off so you don't get bored. I'll carry on doing a bit more and then I'll turn it back on once we're wiping off. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye.